Mae Wesley Davies yn bysgotwr ar un o'r nifer o gychod pysgota bach sydd gennym ar hyd arfordir Mae Ceredigion. Mae o'n mynd allan sawl gwaith yr wythnos mwyn mynd drwy'r cewyll i gasglu pysgod cregyn ac hefyd i bysgota gan ddefnyddio'r rhwydi.
It's a nice Monday morning. You're in a job what you love doing and breathing the fresh air before anyone else has it. I don't think a lot of people know what comes up. They just assume a crab fisherman is a crab fisherman and that's all they do is catch crab. Some spider crab. These are too small. I can tell they are too small. So they'll go back. That'll go in my bucket. Velvet, a swimming crab. That's what that is. We don't keep them, but you can eat them, apparently. Another spider crabs and an edible crown crab in this one. So them two will go back and we'll keep that one. It's too small. It's a baby one, that is. So that will have to be returned. Most probably 90% of it goes back for undersize and we just pick what's best to make sure our breeding stock has a chance to breed and to look after our fishery for different generations. It was looked after for me from my grandfather, so try and repay. That's the nicest spider crab. But unfortunately, that's crippled. It's only got one claw. So when a spider crab has a fight, or any crab has a fight, the other crab then will hold on to its claw, and it's called shooting the claw. They'll regrow it then, instead of it dying. That will go in a box anyway, because we can boil that down and get some crab meat out for ourselves for the shop. 3 seals in there, what I can see, so there should be 5 seal pups on the beach, wherever they're hiding. This is really shallow ground. Yeah, that's our lobster. It's a baby one, that is. So that will have to be returned. And let's hope we get a big one. Now that's a nice hen, that is. A female crab, female spider crab, and a good weight in that. And they are small once again. This one has some eggs on it. The eggs are in that little packer pouch. Millions of eggs for such a small crab. Nice to see because it's going to help with our future stock. Put that one back and put that one in our box. Unfortunately, it's not what we're after, but there's a small lobster. And the rest of these are wrasse. Wrasse is a fish what we don't eat, unfortunately. It's a coral-eating fish, or they like eating shellfish as well. They've got nasty teeth. Size of them. Beautiful looking fish, mind. We have 2 bullhuss. These grow to a fair size, but these are babies, unfortunately. I said these are the same as a dogfish, the same family, all related to the shark. But These are so dark because where they are, they're on seaweed. So they'll change colour for protection. Not what we're after, but it's nice to see. We know the bay's healthy and thriving when you see lots of different things come up. If it was empty all the time, I start to worry. It's a good sign there's a lot of small lobsters around, but I like a bigger lobster. And it might be a keeper at last. Okay, so that's one's worth measuring. It's a nice size, it hasn't got a V-notch in it. If it had a V-notch, it means we can't land them because it's buried. And buried means it has eggs, and it's a breeding stock. The pay is reasonable for what you do, but there's not enough young fishermen. I was lucky, my grandfather was a fisherman, so from a young age, I've always been out on a fishing boat with him. I would love a young person to come out to see if they enjoy it. But majority of them now are on games. They rather play fishing than do it for real. They show interest just in what we're catching on the quayside, but none of them ever ask for a job or ask how to get into the fishing industry. It's a beautiful sunny day. Fishing's a dream on a day like this.
Mae dalfa Wesley nawr ar ei ffordd i'r farchnad. Bydd y rhan fwyaf ohono yn diweddu mewn gwledydd megis Ffrainc a Sbaen, ond mae peth ohono yn mynd i fwytau lleol mwyn bodloni'r galw cynyddol sydd yno am fwyd môr o Gymru ar y bwydlen.